you took the cord.
Yeah, I needed it.
Ahem. Oh, look, the smoke found away. Anyways.
I gotta turn on my phone.
Where's the next firework gonna be? Over there or over there? Probably over there. Or over there. I can hear them from over there.
It's some, like, there's a lot coming from there.
Where are you going?
I'll be lit in the day.
My phone is turned on.
Let me know what I took your bang.
Where are the fire? No. No. I see. I hear. I don't see. I hear.
You know what I'm saying?
I smell smoke. I smell smoke.
Coming from there.
I smell smoke.
Yeah, more smoke is coming. Oh wait, why my phone's barely charging?
And
My phone's on 12%. How?
my phone's at 10%.
Alright, cool.
We're not going inside until it's 12 o'clock. No.
No, we're not going inside yet. We're going inside.
Oh, they're over there. Ah! Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Listen, loud booms scare me. Excuse me.
Oh!
Listen, it's trash. Over there. That's where I just heard. Oh, over there. I can see the little centipede in the sky.
I see smoke. That means it's coming from there.
Ugh. Where? I didn't even see it. It's 4th of July. They're doing fireworks. I don't know where the fireworks are
I'm
from.
about to record.
Oh, look, the police are coming. Oh, there's fire. Oh, there's flashing lights. I'm scared now.
You said they didn't want to come unless it's a big shit. Like, yeah.
Look, there's clearly flashing lights going on right there. Why are you recording me?
I know, come over and she got some little.
I saw some sparkle over there in the window. So then there's doing some on the roof.
Just forget it, please. Niggas already started that.
They're doing them on the roofs.
You hear me?
Not for a fact.
Just forget it.
Oh, look, there's a helicopter. There's cheese. There's cheese in the sky. Loud cheese. All I hear is.
I only got spent 3. You said you don't want to.
Where's the one that's supposed to up here in the sky? Where's the one that's supposed to come in there and explode that?
I'm done.
Never mind. Why would I say that? Why would I?
I just stopped recording.
Why would I say that? Why would I say that?
Fireworks over there! I saw some over there!
Hey, fireworks over there. Yeah, they're over there. Where are they even going? Oh, they're over there. Hey! Why is there something laggy out of a Roblox game? I hear the sound as soon as I go up at night. Oh my god. Here I thought they got arrested. Oh my god. Oh, they're doing it over there. I just saw them. Over there. I can see it. Guys, get up here. Guys, get up here. Ah! They were just doing them over there. One nigga telling to take the gang away. Imagine what it sounded like on Brooklyn Bridge if they did it on Brooklyn Bridge. Where did they just do it? Where are you going? Why? Why? They're not selling fireworks. Everybody's getting arrested with fireworks. So why are we going to the store? For what? Cigarettes? I thought we were going to the store. Chase, turn around. Oh, I thought that was a firework. I'm scared. I am scared of fireworks. I've been scared of fireworks ever since I first saw a firework. They scare me because they're loud noise. They're gonna do one right up there. We're gonna get burned by it. Ever since I almost got hit by a firework, I hate fireworks. But I still love them. As long as they're not near me. Oh, they're over there. They keep moving from one place to another place.
Somebody's about to explode one.
Hey, I can see it. Oh, I just saw someone over there. Distance. Fireworks. I like fireworks from a distance, but not like near me. Oh! Where? Move. No. Move. I don't feel like dying for another firework.
You didn't die from a firework.
I've almost been hit by one. A firework tipped over and it almost hit me. But thank God I hit in the leg. Hit her in the leg. The back of the leg. I like to go distance, not from near me. A distance.
I was staring at the fireworks.
5 hours apart. Five hours apart.